Hello guys, so welcome to the course on DSA for beginners using Python. So if you are a computer science student, then DSA is going to be one of the most important topic for you. Why is that? Because it is involved everywhere, be it in your university or in your job or any project you are working on. So DSA is very important. So let me give you a quick overview about this playlist. So this will be focused on beginners or people who want to refresh their knowledge on DSA. And the programming language that we will be using will be Python because of its simplicity and the readability. Okay, so if you are going with Python, you do not need to invest a lot of time into learning a new language. Instead, you can just get right into the coding stuff and you can learn Python along with it if you do not know any language prior to it. Okay, so we will have these beginner friendly explanations, and the comprehensive resource for entire playlist will be Geeks for Geeks Beginner DSA seat. Okay, so we will be using that seat which contains curated list of DSA problems, and we will be going using that as our resource to go further in this playlist. So the topics that we will be covering will be arrays, like lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, also tries, and there will be sorting, searching, and problem solving involved with it. So if you like this series, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And without doing any further ado, let's get into it. So, like I said, that we are going to use Geeks for Geeks as a comprehensive resource for our practice. What you will do is you will go to this practice.geeksforgeeks.org, and from here you will select this beginners DSA sheet. So the flow of this playlist will be: we will first cover the basic and school level problems, and then we'll move on to the easy, then medium, then hard. Okay. So first of all, we'll cover the school and basic level problems. So after selecting that, you will see there is a problem of the day. So what happens in Geeks for Geeks, that you have this problem of the day, and if you solve a daily DSA problem, you get a geek bit, and which you can later use for rewards and other sort of things. Okay, and then next problem is this print and numbers. So this is a log problem, so we'll just skip that one and move to this one. Okay, such an element in an array. So we'll just click on that. Now, let me read out the problem statement for you. So the problem statement says, given an integer array and another integer element, the task is to find if a given element is present in the array or not. Okay, so we are given with basically n equal to 4, which is number of elements in an array. Then we are given with an array like array equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and x equal to 3. And what we have to do is, see, your task is to complete the function search. So this is the function search, which takes the array arr. Okay, we have arr, then its size n, so n is size of the array, then we have element x is the input. So what I will do, I will reset the code. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to return the index of the first occurrence of x in the given array. So if basically x exists in the array, we need to return the index of its first occurrence. Okay, and if the element x does not exist in the array, the function should return -1. So first of all, we will cover this thing, that if x does not exist in the array, we should return -1. So in Python, we have this property in and not in. So we will use that. So we'll say if x not in what arr, because we are going for array, we'll say return -1. So we took care of this line. Okay, so if x does not exist in the array, we should return -1. And after that, what we'll do, we'll write return. See, in list of Python, we can search for index by using index function. So we'll use the same thing here, array dot index of x. Okay, so if basically the flow is coming here, it means the x is present in an array, and we will just return its index. So what I'll do now is click on some compile and run. Let's hope it works, and it did. So our output matches the expected output. So I'll just hit on the submit button, and voila, it works. Okay, so we'll head on to the next problem. So in this playlist on this basic and school level problems, these are very simple, so we'll cover problems in one video, and after that, as the difficulty level increases, we'll cover one question in one video. Okay, because we'll have some time for explanation as well. Like in DP, we need to think of the problem first before jumping into the coding stuff. So we'll move on to the next problem, which is find maximum and minimum element in an array. So this is also very simple problem. So I'll just reset it, and it is very simple, trust me guys. We are given with an array A of size n integers, and our task is to find minimum and maximum elements in an array. So what we'll do is just return a tuple of return minimum of A comma max of A. Okay, and this will return a tuple basically. So if you do not know what you are coding, you will just see here that we are getting this. Okay, we are receiving we are expected to send a tuple. Okay, get min max, and then it is basically sending us index. We can also send a list. Okay, we can also send this in form of a list, but again, it's totally up to you. I'll hit on compile and run. Now this is not a tuple. Okay, this is a list now. but we want to send something like indexed. Okay, so this is working fine. And then okay, this is working fine. Okay, so we've solved two problems today. If you're liking this series, please let me know in the comment section and hit on the like button. Thank you, take care, bye.